Hey everyone, welcome back to the Top 5 Tales. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into the academic heart of the Peach State. That's right, we're talking about the top 5 universities in Georgia. Whether you're a prospective student, a curious parent, or just someone who loves learning about great schools, this video is for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Georgia State University. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Georgia State University. Located in the heart of downtown Atlanta, GSU is known for its diverse student body and robust research programs. With over 50,000 students, it's one of the largest universities in the U.S. GSU excels in fields like business, law, and public health. Plus, its urban campus offers endless opportunities for internships and cultural experiences. Go Panthers! Number 4. Mercer University. Coming in at number 4 is Mercer University, located in Macon. Founded in 1833, Mercer is one of the oldest universities in the South. It's renowned for its strong emphasis on liberal arts education and community service. Mercer boasts a close-knit campus environment with small class sizes, making it perfect for students who prefer a more personalized learning experience. Their engineering, business, and law programs are particularly notable. Go Bears! Number 3. Georgia Institute of Technology. At number 3, we have the prestigious Georgia Institute of Technology, commonly known as Georgia Tech, located in Atlanta. Georgia Tech is a powerhouse in engineering, computer science, and technology-related fields. Consistently ranked among the top public universities in the nation, it's a hub for innovation and cutting-edge research. With a strong emphasis on entrepreneurship, many students leave Georgia Tech ready to launch their own startups. Go Yellow Jackets! Number 2. Emory University. Our runner-up is the esteemed Emory University in Atlanta. Emory is a private research university known for its outstanding programs in medicine, law, and business. With a strong focus on interdisciplinary studies and global health initiatives, Emory attracts students from all over the world. The campus is absolutely stunning, and the sense of community here is unparalleled. Go Eagles! Number 1. University of Georgia. And taking the top spot, we have the University of Georgia, also known as UGA, located in Athens. As the state's flagship university, UGA offers a comprehensive range of programs, from agriculture to journalism. It's known for its vibrant campus life, top-tier athletics, and groundbreaking research. The school's beautiful campus, steeped in history, provides the perfect backdrop for academic excellence. Go Dogs! And there you have it, the top 5 universities in Georgia. Each of these schools offers something unique, and no matter which one you choose, you're sure to receive a top-notch education. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Drop a comment below and let us know which university you think deserves the top spot. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.